White one. Uh, so guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the latest bride. Latest bride in town. So wow, I love this wedding gown. See? So this is my bride for next month. She just came to book us for bridal makeup, and I brought her here because this is where I direct all my customers. Even when I did my wedding, this is where I get my bridal wear. Oh my God. Okay, look and see bridals. If you are in Abuja around Nyanya Aziz, look and see is the best, and you know, I don't know, fabulous place to be for bridal wears. Whatever you want, accessories, bouquet, name them, anything you want, just come to look and see and you will get them. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you this bride. She's tall, very tall, but I was surprised the wedding gown just smashed her everything. Whew, my dear, you are looking sweet. Yay, I love this wedding gown. Let me just come closer. Wow, see the detail. I love this detail. Love it. Oh, Jesus.
This thing tight me, ma.
You mean him?
This way.
Is it not rope?
It's rope.
So we are testing to see the one that she will go with. Yes, now. Now my work. So we are testing to see the one she's going to pick. I'm so sorry guys for the background. This is a blue background because of the lights. So wow.
I think also I don't say they do this thing for man. Because he go marry YouTube celebrity.
Honestly speaking, he knows now. He knows. You are looking beautiful. Wow. You are blushing.
I tell my husband, I say I'll go for my makeup artist. First I go touch him face. He say for what? Did I look like a then Dowd?
Wow. You are, but can you breathe?
That's why they won't tight it. Why can't I?
Why? And you know she will still wear the magic this thing. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow guys, so let me go outside so that I capture you very well. Wow.
I think it's not too good that kind of big.
Like no, you have to wear that magic this thing now for it to be like that. But what I'm saying is that it's too tight on your tummy. Yeah. I wonder where the magic this thing will enter. Can you breathe?
This girl, you wicked.
Do you know what?
Honestly
speaking, you have to test another one. Yeah, but you are looking beautiful.
My breast is looking like this. My husband goes, no, my breast never fall.
Ah, no. No, but you are looking good.
I still don't say if I wear shoe. I thought now, this gown looks rich. I must wear heel now. Naturally, I wear heel.
So we have assorted the bridal wears, yeah. Assorted bridal wears. Anyone you want. So they have some in the bags. These bags you are seeing here. See, check it out. All these bags, even the ones outside. Bridal wears. So jewelries, they have their jewelry section. Then this place is for the spray, bouquet. They have varieties of bouquets. So if you are looking for invitation card, they have it here too as well. Bridal wears, anywhere, just contact Look and See Bridals.
I know they believe me when they dance.
So my bride is tired. Our wedding is coming up next month, 29th of next month, and Black and Shine Makeover, we are going to glam our face on that day. So guys, like as we usual, I'm going to be carrying you guys along. Actually, the soles of is it sales girl or sales representative? She's trying to loosen the hand of this to see if particular one will size her.
Just video open.
You go enter YouTube
or something like this. Please, Auntie, see they can't open it. What I mean, ba?
Okay.
Now open. If you wear magic skirt for this one, it will open.
He wants you put
understand?
on your magic skirt now.
But you get some. But this one I tell you talk, ba?
Yes, it's still.
And bring something like more tester with the magic skirt.
Okay.
You know which one we do,
You see, say that place where you go test wedding gown, if they cry now. I'm telling you.
You know it's like what this.
It's good to go out.
The person know you.
Mm.
One day, me as
And that woman now, she will keep calling you.
she not even call me. She knows her shop can't even dry.
Okay.
I just enter, just they discuss. You know they get what you go enter.
If you are not getting customers, definitely you will close it. That is one thing about bridal, because once you keep them dust and everything, and new ones will be coming out. You understand? New designs will be coming out. So when potential bridals come, they will be seeing that one. Because majority of them, like you came now with pictures, they will also come with their own pictures. So if what you have is old, they won't collect it. It's your money now. Once you return their wedding gown, you collect it.
That is why everything I want, man. By the time the person come with the extra 5,000, because we go changing room, so that she can easily. I don't mind paying the person.
No, don't worry. They will bring it. If it's that way that you want it, just tell them. You understand? They will bring it that day. If you want it like that.
Not the day of the Saturday.
Not Saturday now, like
yes.
on that's your Saturday now. After your first appearance now. When you are changing now. Don't have problem. Collect it. Now they are property now.
Because they go one guide and collect.
So guys, this is me in the bridal shop.
Who do this girl?
So this is the look and see bridal shop. I think he has another shop right somewhere. Okay, this is like the market. This is in the market, which is called Nyanya Market. Then they have another in which plaza? Okay, First Plaza. That plaza is called the First Plaza. They have another one. I think the wife is managing that one. So we are trying to test another.
Hey!
Oh, it's very tight, right?
Eh? Over time. Sorry, the bride don't know how to speak English. You cannot finish university.
I beg, Jerry. Anyhow.
Why you want to carry your breast up?
Oh, Auntie say, where move finish me?
See they fall.
You know the
thing is too tight on
see
her.
the size of the bed is not even looking.
Tight on
See
her.
the size of the bed is not even looking.
The breast
No, she's saying that it's too small.
Okay,
well, add more foam brown now.
Abi? That is the reason why I said I will use. Okay.
Even from inside, this is the size. You understand?
Okay.
So you know, merge with my own
No,
body.
if you put Anki now, see this place is empty. This place is empty. If I put Anki now, if you use Anki to pad it now, it will come out.
If this auntie wear it now, the breast will not small like this. Foam brown white is okay.
But
even though I wear foam bra white, that means the foam bra will show for up. I know
you don't go wear any bra.
But it's okay like this now. I don't like the size. I don't like the.
You don't like men that come up, but wait till we wear the outside they see. It's normal.
Auntie,
See,
for me.
from what I'm seeing, see,
Me, I don't.
you don't like it.
Men that come up.
Yeah, remove.
Anytime you trust, now I go give her.
See now, look at what I'm saying.
Tribe. You see him? You see him? Carry and go up first.
Okay, she. When nature do.
That might get.
Me and you know, see.
Oh, you can't let me know who we can know.
And I bought a lemon.
That might get. That might size get too now.
Sorry, She got like a little girl.
That my size girl too, Naigala.
But she don't look like. She don't
Abi.
look like yours.
Naigala too, she be.
You like girls they fine. But people know accept the fine.
She's a fine girl. I love the girl. I've said that my size girl.
She's very
How do you first read this one before you read the back? You know, see, I tell you now.
You know, you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to complete it.
Your man now, look at that. No go give you anything like this. It's okay. Now why you say no?
That step. That step.
That's another step. Okay, where go the up? But if the up too big and down, you don't go get fit. You don't go get fit now. But like this is fine. Yeah. I just can the first step. You know, your man. So here now, you show your feet in here now. So that
normal. It's got full hair like this.
They know arrange and well now.
They're supposed to wear the night first before the wedding gown.
If one for carry now one. Show my shoe. See, you know, as I carry my neck,
Cover.
you want it?
He cover well.
It's cover.
See, some people wear the thing.
So they measure your height. It's okay. This one is okay.
Your shoe too high.
They never arrange that thing well.
No, no go high.
It's
It's okay. You see, I cover already. Nothing go show the shoe. For reception, I go come out the shoe except they very flat.
This thing I just short and there's
But
nothing.
you know marriage, man. I can.
Because I get the thing, I make me a whole
Fitted gown.
So are we going for this one or are we still testing? My bride, are we going for this one or are we still testing?
Yeah, good boy is the best.
But the gown is fine.
I will not give you something that is not. I'm giving you something that will bring more customers. You know that look and see this and too well. I give you well. And so the thing. Not that
sample of high shoe. For wear your shoe.
Okay. Make you simple. Okay. Hey! I don't see your own. Make the see enter my camera first. Now wow. So are we saying yes to the dress?
You don't watch that channel.
Are we saying yes to this particular dress? So are we saying yes to this dress?
I'll just go find smart. For it, you know, go because it's at the stop and let me chop. But now,
it's not easy.
where soup now, auntie? I thought it's not really what you want to.
Wait up, you know enter. Yeah. Oh yeah, my bride. Are we saying yes to this particular dress?
I think you should say yes.
Say yes, so.
Well, it's letting 3 married women don't use small girl, no go stay.
Yes, so.
give her center belt.
Yes, so. So, look at the camera and say yes. So, are we going for this one? Yeah, she said yes to this particular dress. Oh my God, I'm so happy. We have tested like about 3 dresses now, and finally she picked this one. The gown is so fine, it's flowing. Though she's tall, but no, it's okay. Very, very okay. I love this dress. So she said yes. So guys, we are done.
See here, don't tell you wanna give me extra charges. Here, see. Auntie, Ellie. Here. Emi tie, my name is extra charges.
Okay. That's what
That
we
only I'm
do. Dancing. So guys, so my bride said yes to this bride. Nobody is seeing it. It's just the material of the lace is looking like tear, whatever. So nobody is seeing it. Nobody is seeing it. It's nice. The dress is nice. So guys, she said yes to this particular dress. So we are going for
information inside.
Yes, no. You just have to enjoy it for that time. She said yes to this particular. No, you won't chop. You just eat small that day now.
I beg. Give yourself to a beg. Give me.
That girl where they change gown, she did the test gown
So
for
she
her.
said yes to this
Yeah.
dress.
That fitted the
Are you
center
crying?
belt.
Why
Say
you?
where you want me to say they know my size.
Hey!
Madam, you know deal.
Na so.
I'm not going.
Ma,